So, welcome back to Learn at Home, घर पे सीखो, powered by bookmytutor.in. Hello children, how are you? So, how is your practice going on for division? Let's see another method. Okay, it's called the long division method. Long division method. Children, we'll take a small example like we have to divide 93 by 4. Okay, how we will do it, children? You can, if you want, you can write like this also symbol here. So 9 we start dividing from the left. As I have told you, first we have to divide 9 because 9 is a bigger than 4, so it will be divisible. So you see here 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and 4 into 3, which is your 12. So we will not take 12 because it is a bigger number than 9. We'll take a 4 2 ja is 8. So 4 2 ja is 8. Now subtract it. So 9 minus 8 is 1. And in this case, we'll take out this 3 here. Just see. And now we again read the table. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. So you see here 4 4 ja is coming 16, which is 13 is lesser than 16. So we'll consider it here 4 3 ja 12. Now subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 is your remainder here. What is 1? 1 is your remainder. This is your quotient. So this is your quotient. And this is your dividend. And this is your divisor. Okay. So this method is called the long division method, and it is having some more steps. That's all we can say. When bigger number is there, we have to go to the long division method. Okay, children. That name itself is saying long division method, and short division method for the short number, and the long division method for the bigger number. That's only the difference. Rest all, nothing much difference is there. And in the no remainder method, the numbers will be like that, where there is no remainders. Okay. So we will see one more important point about division. That's called some formula to solve the basic terms used in divisions. Basic terms used in division, and it makes some formula. As I have told you, one is your dividend, one is your divisor, one is your quotient, and 4 is your remainder. Okay. So what is the formula behind this is dividend will be equal to quotient quotient plus quotient into divisor, quotient into divisor plus remainder. So this is your formula which you have to understand about the division. What is the formula, children? Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. So we'll take an example here. Just see. Like here 21. As I've told you, we have to divide by 5. So 5 4 ja 20. 1 is the remainder here. Now see the formula is fitting or not in this particular question. So dividend is my 21, which is equal to 4 into quotient 5 plus 1 is remainder. Let's check. So 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So I think this formula is correctly fitted to this particular, this kind of division. And also it's almost all kind of division. So this is very important formula which you have to aware it. The dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay children, so we have seen almost all the concept of division. In the next session we will see the question and answer about Olympiad exams, and also which is very helpful for your math. Till that, learn at home, घर पे सीखो, powered by bookmytutor.in. Have a great day, good day, bye bye.